EA just kicking butt. It's today's profit so far, 21.40. Now you got to understand, it hangs around 2% drawdown. Got a $116,000 account, hangs around 2%, well 2.5% drawdown, but that's fine. It can hang around 2%, 2.5% drawdown, but if you're making $1,000, $2,000 a day, you're crushing. It's hanging around anything that's less than anything that's less than 10% really is killing the market. So it doesn't matter if I'm at $2,400 negative right now. These trades are gonna run and turn around. Started the day off. So far today is 2,100. So $2,100 today, right? So if it hangs around 2.5% drawdown again tomorrow, but make another 2,000, another 1,000, whatever. It's as long as it's making $1,000, $2,000 a day. At the end of the week, you done made $10,000, but you're only 2.5% drawdown. If you understand the math, it doesn't matter the drawdown. It matters what closes out. So this EA is kicking butt.